Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Journal questions. Topic on computer. Let's start. First question. In what condition would you use a computer? Your answer is basically I use it every day. I use it for studying because these days many things have to be done with computer. This is a particularly true during the lockdown, during which I use it to listen to a lecture, discuss with my classmate, and submit my assignment. Your second question: when was first time you used a computer? Your answer is way back to my primary school. I remember we had a computer class once a week and we were all excited about this class because computer was exclusive and very few family can afford it. But at that time our teacher just taught us how to turn on computer, how to type, how to carry out some basic operations such as copy and paste. Your last question: what would your life be like without computer? It will be full of the doom and gloom. Like I said, most of my study have now been done with my computer. So without computer, I could not finish anything. And besides, I tend to use computer to do other things, such as watching sitcom, like online shopping, or just scrolling the social media websites. To be honest, just can't imagine what my life will be like without computer. And your fourth question is: in what condition would it be difficult for you to use a computer? Your answer: I would say making note all through. I will tried some software such as a PDF Expert or Acrobat application to take notes on my computer. It just is not as smooth as I do with my pen and paper. So when I am reading some papers, I would rather print it out and make the note on the hard copy. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it.